Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making Jamaican curried mince pasties. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Mix the stock pot in boiling water to make the beef stock and beat the egg in a bowl. In a bowl, mix together the flour, the curry powder and 2/3 of the butter. Mix everything together until you have a coarse crumb texture. Slowly add the water and knead the mix until it forms a ball. You don't want it to be too wet. Divide the dough equally for the number of pasties you're preparing. Roll each ball into a 15 cm circle around 3 mm thick. Set them to one side. Meanwhile, put a saucepan on a medium heat and melt the remaining butter. Sauté the onion for 5 minutes until soft and translucent. Now add the beef mince, curry powder and thyme. Mix everything together and cook until the mince is no longer pink. Stir in the beef stock and breadcrumbs. Allow everything to simmer until the liquid is absorbed. Spoon equal amounts of filling into each pastry circle. Now fold them over and press the edges together with a fork to make a pasty. Brush the pasties with egg and bake for 30 minutes until they are golden brown. You'll be amazed how much flavour these delicious pasties can hold. The Jamaican-inspired filling and spices tastes great. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.